Hello everybody, my name is Vanessa Caroline Marquez and today we will know any of the process of word formation blanks. Word blanks, definition and example. A word blank or postmancha is a new word created by Convent to separate words with different meanings. For example, documentary, drama, docudrama, stay, vacation, staycation, breakfast, lunch, brunch, friends, enemy, frenemy, emotion, icon, emoticon, situation, comedy, sitcom. And the term blanks has been used in a number of different ways, usually to denote a word formation process which combines two lessons. There are different ways of creating word blanks. One way is to combine portions of two other words to make a new smaller unit of meanings in a part of camera and recorder. For example, combined by created by joining a full word, a splinter. For example, the word Mauraki combines motor plus a portion of cavalcade. Word blends and their parts. Word blends are also known as passemancha, a French word meaning suit or suitcase. Author Lewis Carroll is credited with coining the term in Through the Looking Glass, in that both Hunting Duty tells Alice about making up new words from parts of exciting ones. You see it like a postmancha. There are two meanings packed into one word. Example. Here several examples of word blends and their roots. Blend word, root word 1, root word 2, agitate, agitation, propaganda, bash, bad, mash, biopic, biography, visual, browserizer, variant, analyzer, clash, crash, docudrama, documentary, drama, electrocute, electricity, execute, emoticon, emotion, icon. The process of blending involves joining two words together by taking parts of both words and combining the parts into a new word. The result of this process known as blend. Examples: breakfast, lunch, brunch, motor, hotel, motel, smoke, fog, smoke, urine, analysis, urinalysis, gasoline, alcohol, gasohol, blends. Thanks for your attention.